Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer frozen fries. And we're going to see which one is better. Let's begin. We're going to make the lamb Wesson fries first. Here's the back information. You can pause it if you want to read it more. And here's the calories. Let's open it up. For the lamb Wesson fries, we're going to show you how to cook the frozen fries in the air fryer step by step, and the rest we'll do real quick. Let's open up the air fryer and let's pour in some of the lamb Wesson fries. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. For a total time of 14 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point, and we're going to toss them around. Looking good. And now we're going to put it back in for the last 7 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Okay, we have here lamb Wesson steak fries. One thing I already like about these fries is that it's bright yellow. Let's break one open. And it's nice, soft, and fluffy in the inside. Let's give it a try. It's really hot, but it's really good. The seasoning is just about right. It's crispy on the outside, and the seasoning tastes really good. Let's give another one a try. Let's put some ketchup on it. Yeah, it's really good. Overall, I'm pretty happy with these fries. The thick cut of these fries is also nice as well. Good. Next, we're going to try Essential Everyday Classic Fries. The price is on the right side. It's made with grade A potatoes. Here's the back. And here's the calories. You can pause it if you want to read the details. And now let's open it up. There we go. Okay, the Essential Everyday Fries are ready. Let's take them out. Here's a close-up of the fry. And let's break it apart. Let's give it a try. Not bad. I think it needs a little bit of salt, but the overall texture and everything is good. Let's try one with ketchup. The French fry is pretty decent with ketchup. However, I think it needs a little seasoning or salt. But other than that, for the price, it's pretty good. Next, we're going to try the Ore-Ida fries. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Here's the back. And here are the calories. Let's pour them in. There you go. Okay, the Ore-Ida fries are ready. Let's take them out. This is what the Ore-Ida golden fries look like. Here's a close-up of the fry. Let's break it apart. Let's give it a try. The texture of the French fry in the inside is very nice and tender and moist. And it's crispy on the outside as well. Let's try one with some ketchup. Overall, it's nice and tender in the inside, crispy on the outside, and is seasoned pretty well. Next, we're gonna try Checkers famous fries. The price should be on the right side, and here's what's on the back. You can pause it if you want to read it in detail. And here are the calories. We're gonna pour some in. Okay, it's ready. Let's take them out. This is what Checkers famous fries look like. Here's a close-up of the fry. Let's break it apart. Let's give it a try. I like their seasoning on the French fry. It's crispy on the outside, and it's really well seasoned. We're going to take a French fry, dip it into the ketchup, and let's give it a try. I like the seasoning on these French fries. It's something different. It tastes like a French fry that you would get at a high quality burger joint. I enjoy these fries. It's really good. It has nice flavor, texture, and everything. Next, we're gonna try Red Robin fries. They're steak fries. The price should be on the right side. Here's the back. And here are the calories and ingredients. And now let's open it up. There you go. Okay, the Red Robin fries are ready. Let's take them out. This is what the Red Robin fries look like. Here's a close-up of the French fry. Let's break it apart. Let's give it a try. I like their seasoning. It has a nice kick to it. Nice and crispy on the outside. It's very good. We're going to take one fry and dip it into the ketchup to test it out. It's well seasoned. Texture on the inside is really nice. It's not dry in the inside. All of these fries are good. However, if I had to choose, I would choose number 1, Checkers famous fries, because of the flavor and the crispiness of the fries. Number 2 would be Lamb Weston super crispy steak fries. I like the simplicity of the flavor of the potato. The overall potato tastes really good, and it's crispy on the outside. Number 3 would be Red Robin steak fries. The seasoning has a nice kick to it. Overall, it's a well-rounded fry. Number 4 would be Ore-Ida golden fries. Overall, it tastes like a standard fry. And lastly, Everyday Essentials classic fries. The thing about the Essentials classic fries is that it needs a little seasoning. Probably just a little bit of salt would do it. But like I said before, if I had to choose, it would be Checkers famous fries. Here, have a bite and decide for yourself.